We are back in the kitchen this morning with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Good morning, Charlene.
Good morning, Alyssa.
I know it's March, so you've got some St. Patrick's themed recipes for us this morning. Is that right?
I do. There's so much going on in March. We're talking about recipes you can do with your children in the kitchen over spring break. It's Bake and Take Month. So the Kansas Soybean Commission is joining with the Kansas Wheat Commission to give you 3 great recipes this month with this wonderful yeast dough. We're going to start out with our Leprechaun Rolls, which would be great for St. Patrick's Day. And you'll see this is a beautiful dough. It's so easy to make. And in case you missed it this morning earlier, we've warmed the milk and margarine, and we're adding that and the yeast and egg to our flour mixture, which is our soy flour blend. We're going to add additional flour to make a soft dough, and then we're going to knead it and make it really nice to have for our family as we let that rise. You can see I'm working with my grandson Ezra today, and how soft that dough is. So wonderful dough that kids will have fun working with. We're going to make this into balls, and I'm cutting some pieces here that Ezra is going to shape into some balls. But this would be a great math exercise for kids if they would cut this portion of dough into 18 pieces for 18 rolls. And then when they get the roll, they would actually cut each roll into 4 pieces and make it into balls. After we do that, we're going to mix our mixture of parsley and fresh Parmesan cheese that we've grated. And then each ball, Alyssa, is dipped into the butter or margarine that we have there, and then rolled in the parsley cheese mixture. I've given Ezra a fork that he can use, so that helps keep it neater for his hands. And then we put 4 of those balls into a greased muffin tin.
Definitely looks like a fun and easy way to get your grandkids or just your kids involved in the kitchen with you.
They're going to bake at 375 degrees, and then you can see when we take them out in our display there, we'll pull apart those little rolls so that we have 4 little pieces for each roll. It's such a fun recipe. You can use more parsley and have more green color for your leprechaun.
Sounds fun. And now, where can people find this leprechaun roll recipe?
They can go to kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number 877-KS-Soybean.
Well, I know you've got one more recipe for us coming up on midday in Kansas. Share a little bit about that one for us. Give us a sneak peek.
I love this recipe. I think it's going to become one of my favorites. It's just perfect for Easter, since Easter's early this year. We're going to make an apricot raisin hot cross bun.
Sounds good. Definitely want to join us at noon to hear that full recipe. Thank you for joining us again this morning, Charlene.
Thank you, Alyssa.
All right, we will be right back.